Well, the kitchen is cold, but the coffee is warm, and the sun's coming up, and the day's just begun, and you're already bored. You're bored of cheering me up, you're bored of calming me down, bored of drying my eyes, but there once was a time when you were the one. You were the blue of the sky, you came after the storm. You're the switch on the wall, in the dark of the hall, I'm still fumbling for. 'Cause I'm lost in the black, I don't know where I am. My arms stretched out in front, and I'm calling your name just as loud as I can. And I know there's words that we won't ever speak, and the questions can't be answered easily, but I want it to be easy. So nod your head if the plans have changed, shake it, love, if it stayed the same. Smile at me and I will stay. Start to cry and I'll go away. Just please don't leave me guessing. So you made me come, then you send me away like a messenger bird. So I circle the earth, blown away in the wind. But I always return with some sad story to tell of a brief love affair with a girl I compared to you, and she fell. You say you don't want me to beg, then you say get down on your knees, 'cause you knew that I would if I do any good at satisfying your needs. Things we cannot speak, and so you know well that they don't bother me. So you don't have to be worried, just nod your head if the plans have changed. Shake it, love, if they've stayed the same. Smile at me and I will stay. Start to cry and I'll go away. Just please don't leave me waiting.